the happy sunflower. In a sunny garden, there was a happy sunflower named Sunny. Every morning, Sunny would turn its face toward the sun, soaking up the warm rays. Sunny loved the sun so much that it smiled all day long. One day, it rained, and Sunny couldn't see the sun. Sunny felt sad, but the rain helped it grow taller and stronger. When the sun came out again, Sunny was even happier. Sunny learned that rain and sunshine both help flowers grow, just like challenges and good times help us grow. The busy bee. Benny the bee was always busy. He buzzed around the garden collecting nectar to make honey. Benny worked hard every day, helping his hive grow strong. But one afternoon, Benny felt tired and decided to take a break. He flew to a flower and rested. While resting, he saw butterflies dancing and birds singing. Benny realized it was important to take breaks and enjoy the beauty around him. After his rest, Benny felt refreshed and ready to work again. He learned that balancing work and rest makes life sweet. The little robot. Timmy was a small robot who loved helping people. He cleaned, cooked, and fixed broken toys. One day, Timmy ran out of energy. He felt sad because he couldn't help anymore. His friends gathered around and told him to rest and recharge. After a nice long nap, Timmy was full of energy again. He realized that even robots need to rest to do their best. From then on, Timmy took regular breaks so he could always help his friends with a big smile on his face. The lost puppy. Mia found a small lost puppy in her backyard. The puppy looked scared and hungry. Mia gave the puppy some food and water. She then put up signs around the neighborhood to help find the puppy's owner. The next day, a family came to Mia's house and saw the puppy. They were so happy because they had been looking for him everywhere. Mia felt proud for helping the puppy find his home. The family thanked her, and Mia knew she had done something kind. The big snowman. It was the first snow of winter, and Jake couldn't wait to build a snowman. He rolled 3 big snowballs and stacked them on top of each other. He added a carrot for the nose, buttons for the eyes, and a scarf around the neck. When Jake was done, the snowman looked perfect. All his friends came over to admire the snowman and play in the snow. They spent the whole day making snow angels and having snowball fights. Jake felt happy that everyone had fun together.